Hello, Gary.
Good afternoon, Mr. Zainal.
Yeah.
Thank you for inviting me.
I want you to introduce yourself first.
My name is Gregory Alexander Liang, and I live in Jakarta until now. And my track record in kitchen is I used to work as an intern in Western Jakarta as a cook in Hansin Restaurant, which is directly owned by Westin Group, Marriott Group. And then after that, I go to Saint Regis Jakarta, which I have to be finance because I want to experience more in back office for 6 months as an intern.
Do you like working in kitchen?
Yes, of course. As a matter of fact, I very enjoy working in kitchen rather than in back office because I like to go around and talk with somebody. Maybe not that much, but rather in back office, we used to do something quietly. In kitchen, we can communicate, and maybe it's very comfortable for me.
Mm. So, what can you do in kitchen?
To me, I think my experience is still low. That's why I ask you to hire me as your cook in your place because I want to experience more. So my leverage back then when I working in kitchen, I already get used to all the theory. For instance, like cutting because Japanese sushi restaurant have to cut very perfect, and also I used to work in cold kitchen, which is I already know how to make sushi with in the appropriate way, and then I know a bit about sashimi and how to cut it. That's all.
So, all you know is about Japanese restaurant.
Yes, my track record is in Japanese restaurant.
So, can you follow the simple instruction from the chef for you? I mean, like, you get ready for any instruction from your supervisor.
Certainly, yes, because to me, the structure of organization is very important, and I will work as my senior say, as my senior instruct me.
So, how do you keep your areas clean?
So, how do I keep my areas clean? Is I have to prepare dirty clothes and clean clothes because it's very important to have clothes in kitchen. So from opening until closing, I have to make sure my table is clean. Uh, when I'm product producing something, for example, I have to make a product. After I make it, I have to make it clean again by maybe wiping it or clean it using chemical because fish and chicken cannot be in one place. So when I have to make a product, for example, after fish and then chicken, I have to wipe it, or maybe I have to go to steward and take a new bowl.
So, you know the color for the cutting board? Which for the poultry, which for the meat, which for the fish.
I hope I can know more about that thing in your place.
So, how about the teamwork? You okay with that?
I can assure you that I'm very well in teamwork because that's what I seek in kitchen. Because in back office I have to work by myself, and in kitchen we have to make a great teamwork because without any teamwork and communicate well, we cannot make 1,000 order for the people, right?
Yeah. So, what will you do if the kitchen got more tension? Like, very busy.
Usually I take one job best from all of it. Maybe, for example, in my station, I have to make sushi, and then I will focus it on the sushi only. But if there is someone communicate with me, would you help me with something? I will gladly to help them, because for me, when I have to focus something, I have to be quiet. Not for the surrounding, but only by myself. I will be more less loquacious.
Okay. I think you have any question?
Uh, could you tell me about
About the salary?
no, about the restaurant products maybe?
So we have a black code miso for the main course and A5 steak. And for the appetizer, we got taco from salmon, a lot of salad. Then we have to make the sauce with oil, something. So you can learn with your chef later.
Thank you, sir. For me, it's enough.
Alright.
All, sir.
Thank you again.
Good Zaidan.
Ya. Udah. Ya, udah aja. Udah beres.